Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I am using the Nars Holiday Collection palette, the Provocateur palette. I'll show you guys in the video what it looks like. I wanted to do something a little bit cooler, play with some colors. I wanted to play with some colors that I don't usually, delve into too much. So that being said, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are primed. I went in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in light 10. I was going to use my MAC Pro Longwear, but I have no idea where it is. So, not sure. But to start today, I am going to be using the Nars Provocateur palette. I think it's part of their holiday collection. This packaging is absolutely amazing. I loved this. But the inside of the actual palette, or like, well, not the inside of the palette, but the outside of the actual palette is super cool. Like, wow, like studded almost. These are the colors in here. I've already done something with these three, but today I'm going to be using these right here for a transition shade today, because I actually literally just had to start over because I went a little too crazy with that blue. I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs bronzer, Omega bronzer. It's going to be a little warm, more so neutral, I think, than super cool. But I feel like it's going to keep me from going crazy with that blue if I put this down first. Again, it's like not super noticeable. My eyelids are peeling for some reason. It's great. It's actually cold in Florida right now. We are all very unhappy. Okay, so now to kind of just dive right in, I'm going to take this blue shade, which I think is Smash It Up. I actually can't tell with how this packaging is. I think it's Smash It Up though. And I'm going to take this on my Morphe R34 brush. I'm just going to tap that in a little bit and then tap it onto my eye. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner and then kind of blend it up into that transition shade. And then I'm going to focus on keeping this lower, and then we'll start to blend up with it. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop E9. I'm just going to bring this over into the crease. I'm going to go back and focus on these tails. Okay, one eye is done. And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush we put the transition shade in with and go over top and make sure everything's nicely smoking out. Okay, great, awesome. So I'm going to stop fucking with that now, and I'm going to go in with this shade, Screech. I don't know, guys. This one right here, this silvery pewter color. I love it a lot. I'm going to use my M167, or I'm going to try to use my 167. And then, where is my Fix Plus? Tap this over top. Let's see what it looks like if I use my finger. Oh, okay. So, if you go in with your finger, it definitely comes out much more metallic. I'm going to try to take it on like a synthetic brush instead of like a natural. Okay, none of this is working. Hey. Alright, so pretty much we're just going to have to use our finger for the rest of this because nothing else wants to work. Okay, there you go. That is what I'm going for. So I'm going to dip back into the blue shade since I have no idea what these are called. I'm going to try to blend them together. So I'm actually really happy with that. I'm going to try to see if this shade will now work vinyl. Maybe this is Screech. I have no idea. I'm going to see if I can put this on with my little tiny Morphe brush that I still have no name for. I always put it as my B16 brush when I link anything, but I'm not sure what it is exactly. This is like a very interesting color. Because while it's white, it has like goldish, almost orange reflex in it. But I'm just going to use this in my inner corner here and brighten things up. Okay, so I did a really bold wing just off camera real quick. I'm going to do my face. Everything is primed with the 3 primers that I always use. If you don't know what those are, you can certainly, there's a video link down below that is my, full face foundation routine. For foundation today, again, I'm using a lot of Nars products. I'm going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in DeVille. It is my paler shade since I am pale. And I'm going to hold this move right here and go in. So I do really like this foundation though. It covers up my redness really easily. It is very full coverage, as you can see. Just gonna pump this on the back of my sponge now and get my forehead. Again, redness going away. Paleness coming through. I actually feel like I look like I'm dying. Like I look like Voldemort right now. It's fine. I swear by the end of this, I'm not gonna look as dead and evil as I do right now, but it be like that sometimes. I also think this is like a really pale shade on me, but that's just me. Oh my god, I'm like white. Hey, can you see me? I like match the wall. Alright, well, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Almond. It's my lighter shade, and I'm gonna make myself look less dead inside, I guess. I'm gonna do my under eyes first. I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer to conceal these areas of my face. That light 10 shade I feel like is as pale as I get too, so maybe it's also because I don't have a lip color on. God, I just look dead! Or like I'm dying. Am I this pale? I'm really not that pale. So before I finish on my under eye, I'm going to set my under eye concealer and do my cream contouring. So I'm going to do what I always do. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Just going to go in up here, do my nose, and we'll just blend this into my foundation and give myself some color. And again, if you go overboard with this, you can always go in with your foundation sponge and kind of blend it out a little bit. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Light 15. And I'll take my ColourPop F7 brush and tap it underneath my eye. So I'm going to finish my under eye. I'm pretty much just going to go back in with the blue shade and just smudge that underneath. I'm going to use my R43 brush. My R43 brush. Just smudge it right under there. I'm going to bring it over to like the very end of my lash line. Also only going to smoke it out a little bit. I don't know why I'm not a huge, big smoked out lash line person. So I'm going to finish on my face and I'll let you guys know the products that I use down below. I'm just going to finish up real quick and then come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, BRB. Alright guys, so I went off camera and finished my face and did my hair as well. This is my very fine party pony, but it is trying to rally nonetheless. I got super fine hair, guys. I can't do much. My extensions don't match anymore, so whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the first of my holiday season looks. It's kind of more of like a grayish blue than like a really bright blue, so I do really like it. It's a very cool toned look actually, which I feel like I don't ever do. Very, very happy with how it turned out. I have to go run some errands. I actually think my Christmas tree got here, just got here from Amazon in the mail. So I am going to go set that up. And I will link everything that I used on my face that I didn't show you guys in the video down below. Please, if you did like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's right over here. And yeah, I'm really excited for this holiday season. Christmas is my favorite time of year other than Halloween. Both are just very different, you know? So yeah, that's everything. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Weak ass party pony, but oh well. I feel really pale. Like match my wall. Bloopers are coming back. Okay. No, focus on me. I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite. Okay, bye.